Sometimes you're in a rush, you don't want to cook and do all that palaver, and mashed potatoes, let's face it, they're one of the comfort foods of the world. So let's just do some instant mash, kick it up a little bit. It's so easy. I'm boiling some water. I'm just gonna pour in the mash and add the right. Think about what that instant mash is. It's cooked potato dehydrated. What do we have maybe in our kitchen that is cooked potato and through the cooking process is slightly dehydrated? This is what. Yes, we can make instant mashed potato from potato chips, crisps if you're in the UK. Don't panic, we can do it. I'm boiling water here to see if this will work the same way. We're just pouring boiling water on these. We're gonna just put a large amount in the bowl, and then let's crush this down into small flakes to see if we can get away with just adding the boiling water. Will it really become instant mashed potato? I have no idea, haven't done this before. So let's just take this boiling water and pour it over our potato chips. Now they're swelling up. I smell a good potatoy smell. I just added a little bit of water. They kind of, look at the consistency here. They're thickening up now. These have a lot of salt. I'm not sure we need to add any of that. But what we do need to add here is some pepper for extra flavor, a little cream for richness, and the good old butter cube is going in. Let's mix this all together. Oh yeah, check out what's happening now. Now this has not required a pan. There's absolutely no need for it, I don't believe. This is looking suspiciously like mashed potato. Is it done? Looks done. All we gotta do is taste it and see. It's mashed potato. It's incredible, it's rich, it's beautiful. I'm gonna add a little greenery there with some chopped green onion. There's a huge chunk of sour cream in there. Think of all the flavors you have with potato chips that you can make mash this quickly. Tell me, does this not look like a great mashed potato? I'm gonna tell you, it tastes incredible. I'm gonna take now a little bit of everything here and just taste it for real. I'm serious. This is game changing. Try it out. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. You are always welcome right here in the kitchen. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and be sure to come back and see us next time.
How hot is it?
Not hungry.
Oh my God. Really good.